Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a swatch and review video for you. So this is from Bornpretty. So I picked some different colors that I could pick from. So let's just get started. So first off, I was sent the glitter top coat, and that is the item number there. So this is a no wipe top coat. So let me get some up so you can see the colour of it. So that's the colour of it there. Let me grab the right swatch stick. So it's nice. And they spread out very evenly. I like that. As you know, sometimes with glitter it kind of all just sort of packs in one place, but this is actually really nice, and it's very flat on the nail. So that's the colour of it there. It's the rose gold one, so that's the colour of that one there. So let me just get the next one out. So the next one is a 7mm neon luminous gel, and this is a BP-NL07. It's slightly rubbed off. I have to say I am loving their packaging. So this is a proper bright pink. I love it. It's really nice. So let's see what this one looks like. Oh wow, that's really nice. Obviously you'd need to do 2 coats, which you should anyway. You should do thin coats, but that's the first coat there. Pretty even coverage actually. So I will pop this one in and we'll move on to the next one. So the next one is another luminous one. So this is Luminous Macron Gel, and this is LM13, and that's the item number there as well. So this is the colour of this one. So it's like a milky sort of, it's hard to describe. It's like a milky yellow, if that makes any sense at all. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it's a really nice colour, very fresh. And they have so many different colours, so many. Definitely need to head over and check out their website. If you do, don't forget my discount code. I will have it at the end, and it's always in my description box of all my videos as well. Very nice and even. So that is that one there. Hopefully you can see it. So I'll get the next one out. So the next one is in one of the black bottles, and this is a 10mm, and this is BP117, and that is the item number there. So this one is this sort of like, I'm not very good at describing colours. It's like a pastel green. Yeah, I just thought, you know, just sort of trying to go for colours that I can use sort of in multiple different designs, rather than going for all sort of pinks and purples. Just trying to sort of, you know, get some ones that I can do with all sort of different stuff with. I do really like Bornpretty polishes. They're really nice. So that is one coat there, so I will pop that in and I shall get the last one out. And the last one in this video is this reflective sequin gel. So this is BP-RSO2, and I knew that this one was sealed, so may need stirring. I'm not entirely sure if it will or not. Try not to cut my fingers off. Wow. Wow. Look at that. That is stunning. Wow. I didn't get a brush. Give me 1 second. Okay. There's quite big shards in here. Maybe one of them ones that you have to sort of have a play around with. There's quite big shard bits in here. Yeah, so you'll sort of like have to put it on and sort of move it around. I haven't used one like this before. It's so pretty. All of the reflectiveness in there. Wow. So yeah, as I say, I mean, you'll just have to sort of like have like a little play around with it. And you may be able to sort of separate them out. You just have to make sure that they're not like on the sides or around the cuticle, because if they're hanging on the sides, then you'll get lifting. But yeah, look. Wow. Now that is stunning. Just look at that. Wow. So I will give that a cure. I mean, to be fair, that's fairly flat, to be honest. A little bit lumpy bumpy, but we shall see what it's like. Okay, I will cure all of these. If any of them need a second coat, I will do that off camera, and then I'll come back in a minute. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, so this is them finished. I added another coat to this one, and as you can see that the colour is kind of, well, I hope you can see it's sort of in a tinted base as well as the glitter, which I think is really, really pretty. And it's not lumpy bumpy, and it's nice and shiny. So it's really, really flat. Really like that. Really, really do like that. I had several different ones of them ones. I'm just charging up the other ones. So this was the BP 117. So this is 2 coats, and this is the like pastel green colour. It's a really, really pretty colour. Really, really pretty. Perfect for summer and spring. Really, really nice. And then this was the reflective one. So I tried to have a bit more of a play with it off at camera. I probably should have stirred it a bit more, because I think that's why I've got quite a lot of the actual like big bits of mylar. But nevertheless, it is absolutely stunning. So let me just turn the flash on, and that is what it looks like with the flash. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Oh, it's like, oh, it's so pretty. So that is the reflective one. That's it in normal light. It's really, really pretty, really pretty. So these are 2 coats of the pink, which is the luminous one. So this is BPLN NL07. So that was the hot pink, and then this was the sort of like kind of pastel yellow type of coloured one. So let me just stick them back in for 10 seconds, and I will turn the lights off. And we shall have a look at the glow. So this is them glowing. Wow. Wow, they are really, really bright. really, really bright. Look how much they glow. Wow, they are amazing. I love them. And they have obviously lots of different colours, but look at them. Wow. Wow, they are really, really nice. So let me just turn the lights back on, and then that's them again in normal lighting. So that is the end of the swatch video. Oh, I did top them all off with the Bornpretty Super Top Coat as well, which is super shiny. Let's reorganise these a bit more with how I did them in the video. So that is all of them swatched there. I will have all the information linked below, as well as my discount code. I think I have, yes, I have a direct link as well. I think I will have it all down in the description box anyway, and I will post pictures at the end and have all the information. Well, let me know your thoughts down below. Do you have any of these? Is there any that you like? Is there anything you want me to do? Anything you want me to use first, or I will just come up with some designs and then, yeah, just post them. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching today. Let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to check out Bornpretty's website and follow them over on their social medias as well. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, everybody, thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you soon.